again?
Today. Folks, if you are unfamiliar with us here at Southwest, we do offer open seating. So as soon as you have selected your seat, help us out by stepping out of that aisleway and allowing the people behind you to slide on by and select their seats. We are a completely full flight today, so every seat will be occupied. If you could help us accommodate your carry-on items, we need you to stow your smaller bags underneath the seats in front of you.
So our flight attendant is a female. Also, our flight
Thank
to
you so
San
much,
Diego
and welcome aboard.
Dad, do you think when we switch seats, you could switch to the window seat so you can feel the view better?
What?
Do you think when we switch seats, you could switch to the window seat so you can feel the view better? The runway, inbound taxi,
I know,
taxiing from the runway to
do you want
the
the
gate.
whole taxi?
We can film any part of the outbound taxi.
Do you like the wing in the middle of the picture? In the front of the picture, like that?
It's okay with my view.
What view? I'm asking you.
My view's like this.
Which is straight out?
Yes.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Super phallic.
Is that better?
Yes.
Zoomed out? Or in?
That's good.
Okay. Do you like it closer?
Yes. There's Southwest. The tail's going like this. Looks like a 700. Oh, we're cleared for takeoff.
Like when a disease or a sickness spreads from one person to another.
Oh, yeah. Turning onto the runway. Mom, hold on to hand. Takeoff.
She's watching.
islands
That's the
now.
island. That is the island.
Hawaii has a lot of water.
It's an island. It means it's surrounded by water.
Yeah, but it is one of the United States.
Hey, on Thursday, we're going to be going over to that part of the island.
Oh. And what will we do?
Have fun.
Go swimming
I
near.
don't know about that, but there's other fun things we have planned. Oh, we're about to go through some really big clouds.
We're above them. Isn't the wing very big? Dad, doesn't the wing look very big?
Yeah.
You know why the winglet's really big? Because it's completely diagonal. There's the ground. Those are some nice mountains and valleys.
Looks like we're going to be circling at the airport and coming in from the other side.
I think we're lining up with the
Okay, look.
runway.
That's the airport right down there. See the
Yeah.
runways?
I don't see the airport.
Well, it's now behind that big fluffy puff of cloud.
So are we going to turn that way?
Yes. Now you can see that's all the
That's the Honolulu airport. It looks like it has a really big outbound and inbound taxi. Oh, look, there's a bridge that goes over the ocean.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Do you think we'll go on that
I don't know.
taxiway during our inbound taxi?
I don't know.
What? Look, trees. Some of them are similar to palm trees. Oh, there are some palm trees.
Yeah.
There are a lot of palm trees in Orlando. Oh boy. Hope this is a smooth landing. Touchdown! Welcome to Honolulu. Was
when making connections, check the TV monitors in the gate area for your specific flight and gate number.
There's United.
Also, you may turn on your cell phones at this time if you wish, as long as they are within reach for you.
Those look like 777.
For those Kama'ainas, welcome home. Those that are visiting, enjoy the
There's
islands of my home as
Alaska
well.
and Delta.
We certainly appreciate you choosing Southwest to bring you here to Honolulu.
I don't think Delta flies the Boeing 737 Maxes.
On behalf of this flight crew, our warmest aloha. Mahalo for choosing
I think the ones that fly Maxes are
Southwest. Have a great rest
Southwest,
of your day, wherever your
Air
final
Canada,
destination takes you.
United, and Alaska. That looks like a Delta Airbus A330. I think it's going to Paris.
You think it's going to Paris from Honolulu? Probably not.
Because that would take too long.
It'd be a really long flight. I don't know. Maybe not any longer than Dallas to Doha was, I guess. It's possible.
Also, if you
There's
requested
another
a
Southwest.
just remain in your seat.
There are
Let me check
two
to make
other
sure
Southwest B737 MAX8s. I wonder where this plane is going next.
I don't know.
Parking at gate
The
E1.
local time here, folks, is approximately 4:32. It's
Look,
3
the
hours
heart
behind
is
California time.
pinky.
So local time is approximately 4:32.
That means it's 9:32 back in Texas.
And we're
So if it
early,
landed
so
in
the
Austin,
next time
it
we're
would
late,
be
just remember we were 20
nighttime.
minutes early today. We take one day at a time here. One day, and you're in Hawaii, so even longer.
Parking at gate E1.